Hi Echivera family, thank you so much for the 100 plus subscribers. Kindly welcome back to my YouTube channel and let's get to 200 plus subscribers. Today we are making donuts and we are using the simplest method ever. So this one we are calling it method A for those who can't afford to have eggs, milk and butter. So for this one you only have vanilla essence, yeast, sugar, a pinch of salt and vegetable oil. As you can see, I always mix my yeast and warm milk or warm water in a different bowl, because if I do that in the same bowl that has sugar, I always get it all wrong. So because sitaki kubahatisha, itabidi tu nitumie the method I'm used to. So if you always get it wrong, kindly use this my method and vitu zitakuwa sawa. This happens to a point that ukipika mahamri or donuts haifuri ama hiyo haifuri. So make sure umekanda vizuri. Make sure your dough umekanda vizuri and it is not sticky. When it is not sticky, meaning that imekandika vizuri, and the only thing you can now do is to put it in a bowl, then cover it up. So after covering it up, I always put it in a microwave or oven. But if you don't have a microwave or oven, kindly usieke kwa fridge. Funika tu na wache hapo ama utumie cling kufunika still. So if you see your dough imefura hivi, jua your mixture ulipata vizuri, like you did the right thing na haitakusumbua, and then your donuts itatoka soft, fluffy, yeah, venye unaipenda. Najua wengine wanashangaa mbona nikipika inatoka ngumu. Ni kukanda. Usipokanda vizuri, usipomix vizuri, kwanza for yeast usipomix vizuri inatoka vileme. Ni vilema. Like it has pimples. Okay? Unapika mahamri ya donuts ama nini yenye iko na pimples. So hapa I'm going to roll them. So after rolling them, and make sure I have a nice circle. Usiroll sana, make sure at least imenona kidogo ndio upate mandazi at least iko na nyama ndani ama donuts iko na nyama ndani. So I'm using my Ken Poly tin because I don't have the donut makers, so I'm using the only thing I have available. So if you also have a plastic cup, you can use it. So kwa hii kichwa ya ilini let down, ilikuwa inatoa alls kubwa, but I was like, I'm going to do it. Okay, I tried to use another one, at least this one was a bit okay and fair to me. So ilikuwa inafanya like the whole size itoke kubwa, but still after this I'm going to place them on a plate, or you can use basin, anything, then niregeshe tena kwa microwave or oven. So the mistake usifanye zisishikane, ama make sure umeapply oil ndio zisishikane. Usipo apply oil itafura na zishikane na iharibike. So hapa tuna fry our donuts, and kindly make sure the heat is medium. For donuts, mahamri, make sure the heat is medium. Sorry, kwa hizo zenye nimeka kwa tray ya kubake, si ati nataka kuzibake, no. Nilikuwa nimeka hivyo ndo niweke kwa oven juu microwave ni kadogo na zilikuwa mingi. So make sure the heat ni medium. Isikue more, isikue kidogo, ikue tu hivyo medium ndio itapikika vizuri juu mandazi pia ikiwa medium inafanya, ikiwa kadogo sana inafanya inakauka, ikiwa mingi inafanya inaungua. So this is another set, and these are an oval shape, and again we are making the ring shape with a kahole ndani. Then sasa hii ya mwisho nilikuwa natengeneza mahamri. I was like, So sometimes you can just get tired and you are like, okay, let me make mahamri. So as you can see guys, our donuts are very fluffy, adorable. They are so demure, like zimependeza sana. So if you don't have the butter, eggs, milk, you can still make donuts, and you can do something good for your family, at least for them to have a different thing for breakfast ama lunch kwa watoto wenye wanaenda kukula lunch ama for your spouse. Anyway, thank you so much guys and I really appreciate. Bye.